Camera's rolling, you know.
Are you ready?
Yes,
What is your favorite drink?
my favorite drink is Grand Marnier. Alcoholic drink, or can I say water?
Coquito.
Oh my, there's so many. Bacardi and Coke.
What liquor goes in a margarita?
In a margarita, rum.
Guess again.
Bacardi.
Mom, this is my favorite kind of drink. What do I like to drink?
But you like a lot of drinks.
Either vodka or tequila.
Which one?
I think it's vodka. It's tequila? Okay.
Think it's vodka? No, sorry. Rewind. Tequila.
I thought there was liquor in there.
What is the object in front of you?
Who the hell knows? A whiskey glass?
I think this is to measure the alcohol.
If I can't remember, but I told you on videos with this thing. This is a measuring tool.
It is a measuring tool.
Name 3 types of vodka brands.
I'm sorry, I drink all of them, but I do not know their name.
I just know them by vodka. If it says vodka, it's vodka.
What is the proper amount to tip on a $100 check?
Depending. Depending the service is good. If it's good, I could get him 20%. If it's no good, you're lucky to get the 10%.
I always tip 20 or 25% to my girls or to everyone. Yeah. And if it's amazing, sometimes 30%. Yeah. If it's you.
What is a popular Cuban cocktail made with mint?
Café con leche.
¿Cómo se llama?
I can't believe you don't know this one.
Yeah, I know it. But what is?
That is my
I know
dream.
it's your drink, and also Andreas.
Your boyfriend?
My boyfriend. Yeah, sorry.
I know that one. Wait. Mojito. Yeah, I know that one. Mm-hmm.
So what is a draft beer?
The draft beer is beer with no fizz. I don't know what a draft beer is.
You put the glass like this, and it comes like, it feels very fast, and it's the best. By the way, that's in Bar Rescue. I saw that. In Instagram, you have to put Bar Rescue there. My petition.
Oh, from the tab. When you get this, yeah, no good.
What is this?
You like a shaker? A stirrer? Cool, okay. Look like Mickey Mouse, don't it?
To stop the ice, I think so. I don't know the name, but it's cute though.
What do you call the glass you serve champagne in?
Champagne glass.
I don't know. Like, I mean, it's the tallest one, and the skin is, and it's, I believe, to prevent all the sparkly goes out. I don't know.
Starts with an F
Uh-huh.
and then an L.
Flawless.
What ingredients go into a Cuba Libre?
Valera. Oh, that's rum and Coke, ain't it?
What garnish goes on a rum and coke to make it a Cuba Libre?
Lemon? Oh, the one? No, okay.
It's a Coca-Cola with rum. That's it. I don't know, half. I don't half. And ice, and lemon, I think, or mint. Mm-hmm.
What does ITB stand for?
I think booze. Ah, got that one right.
What does it mean to be in the weeds?
In the what?
Weeds.
Weeds? W-E-E-D? Weed? Are you smoking?
Too much Baileys in your drinks.
And my lingo will be Walking Dead.
What makes a martini dirty?
Dirt.
Oh, I like this one. This is a stirrer. When you long cups. And this is to pick up the cherry or the olive.
If you order a drink neat, what does that mean?
Clean. Neat is clean for me, so that would be virgin. Clean of alcohol.
Wait a minute, what do you mean by neat? Like clean? I mean, really? What kind of question is that?
What do they make tequila from?
What they make tequila from? Tequila from plants.
What kind of plant?
Got the let me say potato. I don't know.
An agave plant.
A what?
An agave plant.
Never heard of it. Garbage? You sound like you're saying garbage to me.
What ingredients go into a mimosa?
Orange juice, champagne, and that's it. Drink it. Yoo-hoo! Let's go to brunch.
What garnish goes into an appletini?
Olive.
It's a cherry.
Oh yeah? Okay, I don't like appletini, so it don't matter to me.
What is your favorite Thirsty Bartender video?
I love them all. They're so funny. You guys are hilarious.
I love the Cinco de Mayo. Ta-da-da-da-da.
Which is the best? I don't know, there were quite a few. That when you first all started, it was funny. But I can't remember because you see, I forget, I'm old.
The first one, Coquito.
Coquito. Okay. I remember that,
Okay.
but you didn't use what I used.
What did I win? Oh,
Happy Mother's Day!
thank you, mommy.
Okay.
If you recognize this, Gran Menier.
Yeah,
Gracias, mami.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Is it coquito?
No. Oh. You can maybe make some.
You have scissors? Oh, I got it. Malibu.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is good stuff, man. This is with milk.
With milk.
With milk, yeah. I got one at home too.
But you like the Long Islands, right?
That's cool.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
not mine because I make them too weak.
Yeah, they're a little stronger. Yeah. But I like this. I drink this.